Hi everyone, welcome back to Tranquil Health. Today we're going to talk about how to achieve glowing skin. We'll cover essential vitamins, skincare do's and don'ts, and some natural tips to enhance your skin's radiance. Whether you're aiming for a healthy glow or want to address specific skin concerns, these tips will help you on your journey to beautiful skin. Let's get started. Vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining healthy and glowing skin. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, helps in collagen production, reduces pigmentation, and protects the skin from sun damage. You can find it in citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and topical serums. Vitamin E is known for its moisturizing and healing properties, preventing skin damage and maintaining hydration. It is found in nuts, seeds, spinach, and skincare products. Vitamin A is essential for cell regeneration, helping to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It can be consumed through foods like carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach, or applied topically as retinoids. Vitamin D, known as the sunshine vitamin, plays a role in skin cell growth and repair. Ensure you get adequate sun exposure and include foods like fatty fish, fortified dairy, and egg yolks in your diet. Maintaining a proper skincare routine is vital for glowing skin. Start by cleansing your face twice a day to remove dirt, oil, and makeup, using a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water throughout the day and use a good moisturizer to maintain skin hydration. Regular exfoliation helps remove dead skin cells and promotes cell turnover. Use a gentle exfoliator once or twice a week. Always protect your skin with a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days, to guard against harmful UV rays. A balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats can also improve skin health. On the flip side, avoid overwashing your face as it can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness and irritation. Steer clear of harsh products with chemicals and fragrances that can irritate your skin. Never skip sunscreen, as it can lead to premature aging and increase the risk of skin cancer. Limiting sugar intake can prevent breakouts and dull skin, so opt for healthier alternatives like fruits and nuts. Finally, avoid touching your face frequently to prevent transferring bacteria and oils from your hands, which can lead to breakouts. In addition to vitamins and skincare routines, several natural tips can enhance your skin's glow. Aloe vera gel is excellent for soothing and moisturizing the skin, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties that reduce acne and irritation. Honey acts as a natural humectant, retaining moisture and providing antibacterial benefits, making it great for acne-prone skin. Green tea, rich in antioxidants, can be applied topically or consumed as a drink to help reduce inflammation and improve skin texture. Coconut oil, used as a natural moisturizer, helps retain moisture and has antimicrobial properties to prevent infections. Cucumber slices or juice can reduce puffiness and provide a cooling effect. Achieving glowing skin involves a combination of proper nutrition, a consistent skincare routine, and natural remedies. Start by incorporating these tips into your daily routine and be patient as your skin transforms. Remember, healthy skin is a reflection of a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more beauty and wellness tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.